So about another trade. Yeah, again, been busy. I know I said since that other video. Hopefully next week kind of return to a bit of normality and consistency and get back into my routine. But yeah, I mean everything with the World Cup and shit like that. So it's been busy, But yeah, I'll start with this one. Break it down. Daily, I think we're trending. I mean, obviously we're trending higher. We're trending down, really deep into a discount here. But we swept out this previous day low, so I'm expecting us to kind of rally a little bit off the back of that. On the 4 hour, we've pushed up into this kind of order block here, but I think we'll push a little bit higher, which I'm hoping you can see on the 1 hour. So we've inversed this gap here. See, inverse that, and then we've also filled this one here as well. So I'm expecting price to rally up into probably this order block here, maybe even higher into this here. Oh, another reason as well. If you mark out the previous day range, we've not quite tapped into a premium yet, so I don't think price will sell off until we've reached a little bit deeper into that area for me. And the confidence is aligned there, kind of on the 1 hour inversed, filled. Could expect to see price push up certainly to these highs, and then hopefully into this order block here. 15 minute, it's been chopping a bit. We traded through this fair value gap here, so I thought we're not going to go up, I don't think yet, which I was correct about. Came up a bit higher, came out, swept out the resting fucking sell side there. And yeah, always forget that. I had to refer back, always forget it. But swept out all the kind of sell side under here within this fair value gap again, which looks pretty nice. I don't know if this counts particularly. You can probably mark that out and claim it as some kind of thing. That's not really what I'm relying on here though. 5 minute, again, swept out the sell side, traded into this order block here, rallied, created this fair value gap which we're now filled, so I'm pretty much going off of that. And the 1 minute looks really clean, really nice market structure shift above this swing high here. We have had a change in state delivery. I won't be surprised if we come a bit lower and fill this here, but I don't want to miss the entry in case we do just rock it up from here, and hopefully that's what I should cover that if we do wick into this area. It'd be tight, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, 5 minute. I mean, hopefully we just trade if anything into this. We had to change state delivery up here. And we've got this order block here, so I'm hoping that if it was traded down, it would come into this 5 minute with the kind of higher time frame holding higher power concept. And it works out to be in a 1 to 2 R, because as I said, I'm targeting this 1 hour order block up here. It's gonna work. That is gonna work. Cool. So we'll see how we get on. So let me see. We have now traded. Maybe not quite traded into that 5 minute, but we'll see how we get on. I'll manage the trade as we kind of go with it. We're going to inverse this gap. I'll start trailing. Okay, I'll start to trail a little bit just there to minimize our losses. So it's now a 0.5% risk trade. And let me just see what the 1 minute's saying. What could we trade back into here? Potentially it's order block, but I think if we move to break even there, then it's like we've still got kind of scope to move into that. I don't see why we'd come into, you know, this region here and then we're at. So if anything, if it comes down here, it's going to take out these lows. So I mean, yeah, I'll chill out yapping. Good equal highs there, not quite taking it out. See if we can push up and take profit. I think I might start trailing my profits. So if I can move this up to that there, just start moving it up in case, just to secure some kind of profit there. There we go. Cool. Take profit hit. Good trade. Limited drawdown. Timed really well in the sense that could have gone in here and then we would have got stopped out. Could have gone in here and we would have got stopped out. But then again, obviously there wasn't really anything in here. It suggested to me that's where we were going. Really choppy kind of consolidation or accumulation and then manipulation and distributed up. So good trade. And as I mentioned, had we have gone off of, let's say, that and set our stop to here and looked for a similar sort of trade, we never would have got in. So probably the right call there, and a 2R is pretty nice as well, so overwhelmingly pretty happy with that. I don't know how we're going to rate this 1 hour order block. We have shown rejection, we've not pushed lower, but I still think we are pretty bullish. However, I'm quite glad that we showed a bit of rejection around here, because it's obviously, that's what I had in my head is happening, so yeah, good, overwhelmingly pretty happy with that, and kind of good to come back and get a trade, having not been doing it for, well, having been less consistent lately, so yeah, all good. Right, I'm gonna quit waffling. Any thoughts, let me know, otherwise I'll catch you next one. Appreciate it.